What's up everyone, I'm in the middle of a pretty big project and found myself needing some edge banding clamps. So instead of buying them, I'm just going to make some out of some spring clamps and bicycle tire inner tubes. I get these clamps at Home Depot for 99 cents a piece and picked up 2 inner tubes from Amazon for about $5. I start by cutting the tube into 4 to 5 inch sections. Next I removed the rubber guards from the ends of the clamps. Sometimes these are a little stuck on, so you might need to use a screwdriver or something to help get them off. I use these guards to help lay out how wide my strip should be. They're about 1 inch wide, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I can get 3 strips from each section of inner tube. I folded over the last 3/4 of an inch and inserted it into one of the guards. The tire removal tool that the inner tubes come with works great for pushing it down inside all the way. Next, I just repeated this step on the other end of the strip. Just make sure you have enough pushed into each guard so it won't pull out. A little CA glue will help hold everything in place. Now I just slid them back onto the clamps and let the CA glue set up. These are great for holding edge banding onto plywood or laminating strips together, but I'm using them for something a little different. I'm building this boat tail speedster. It's similar to how you would build a canoe, and these clamps are really helping me out a lot. I tried to keep this video short. I hope this tip helps you. Please leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll see everyone over on one of these other videos.